What's up guys, AK with DCC Train. In this video I'll show you how to secure Atlas coupler box with a micro crystal clear, my favorite. It's actually not glue, I'm using like a sealer mostly, but for this application will work perfectly. Absolutely neutral acrylic one. So when you're opening the model, taking that coupler box out of the model, this is what's happening. Just not staying together. When you pull the screw, it will just like fall into pieces. When I'm going to install in this loco, it will be easy before I'm doing it. Okay, to assemble it, and again it will be very tricky, you know. So I'm grabbing a little bit of the microcrystal clear with a screwdriver like this or something like that. Paper clip will work. Putting just a little bit of that, like a few dots here and there, because it will be absolutely, when it dries out, it will be absolutely transparent. Okay, and ready for assembly, like this way. See some that stuff. You can wipe it like that, but again it will be crystal clear and transparent. That's pretty much done. It's already good to go. When it's curing, let me close the lid. When it's even curing here, I can install the right there. So putting my screw down here. Okay, need to find, of course it's someplace else here, right there. So you're not seeing the whole thing, but believe me, it will be much easier. Then try to show you next to the camera, but sometimes it's tough. Straight that screw. Magnetized screwdriver will help, of course. That should do it. And as soon as you get it right there, tight a little bit, not too much. Center, it's already centered. Done. Here we go. Thanks for watching guys. Thank you members for supporting business. We'll see you soon in the next video. Have a good one. Bye bye.